Hey folks, JD here, and today we're going to be looking at some of these features of the MJX X104G. Now, we had a little bit of a hazy start last time. It took a little while for me to calibrate this, and then I had to recalibrate it as it disconnected from my phone. Well, my tablet rather. This time, it was a lot smoother. I put the new battery in her, I calibrated her, and straight away she has taken off. No problem whatsoever. Now, first thing I want to look at a couple of these features. And first of all, another thing I've done as well is I've put a new Class 10 64 gig SD card in her, which is totally empty, FAT32 formatted, and I've clicked record and it says SD card is full. So, and I don't have an SD card in my tablet, so I would say that I'm going to be having issues in getting that raw footage off that particular quadcopter, which is a bit of an annoyance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk back with the quad a little bit. There we are, just reverse the quad quite nicely. And then I'm going to try, see, look at that, I didn't do that. It did that itself. But anyway, it's lock. Why aren't you locking? Are you going to lock? Are you going to lock? Yes, you're going to lock, lovely. Okay, so first of all, let's do orbit. So for this, I'm going to open up point of interest. With point of interest, your aircraft will continuously circle clockwise around the present point. The point of interest is set at 5 meters forward of the aircraft by default. So let's click yes to start. And now it should, looking at me as a central point, which is exactly what it's doing, it should bring itself round, but also what it's doing is it's slowing itself round on the curve so it realigns itself with me and the camera, and then continuing. So then as it's going to continue around, it's still got me in its sights, beautiful, and then it's keeping its line very, very well, and it's keeping its direction very, very well as well. Okay, all in all, that is a win. Oh, I've got some people in the field, folks. I'm going to down this quad. Let's stop orbit. I'm going to down this quad and take it back up in a couple of minutes once the people have passed. Okay, so now what we've done orbit. Orbit was extremely successful. Let's do a bit more follow me. So I'm going to start follow me. Hopefully now it is, am I too far away from it, do I think? Or am I, oh, what did it say? It said something then. Let's get a bit closer to it. What did it say? So I clicked follow me, and I clicked follow me, click yes. Keep your mobile phone 5 to 35 meters from your aircraft. This time we had a very successful follow me flight yesterday, and now today follow me does not want to work. Oh, in saying that, yes it does. Yes it does. Mr. MJX is calling me out, and it's turning, and it's got me, and it's following me, and there's a big pile of grass there, not going in there. I'm going to walk towards it. What's it going to do? Is it going to reverse? Is it going to freak out? No, it's reversing. Even though this is a brushed quad with brushed motors, you'd never tell it. It's so quiet. There we are. I'm now just going to walk off in front of it. I've got full faith in this quad, so I'm just going to walk away. Obviously got my hands on the transmitter there, should anything happen, but it's got me. It's got me. Let's go for a bit of a walk up here. Now we've hit LVC, which means that before too long we are going to be hitting return to home. So I at least want to do a little bit more walking with this quad and follow me. But it's got me. Mr. MJX, you are good. You are good. These features that people have been wanting and nagging me for. Find a good quad, will you, JD, with follow me. I think, folks, we've got a good follow me quad. Look at it. It's following me. It's keeping its distance. I'm within the 5 to 35 meters, only just, mind you, 34. Look at that. Oh, no, not 34 meters away from that. What am I talking about? There we are, it's doing very well. So let's walk it back to our landing pad, which is just down here. Sorry about recording into the sun, folks. Want to take advantage of this beautiful morning that we've got. So at the minute when LVC kicked in, we were at 9 minutes and 40 of battery, because that's how long my video's been recording for. But there we go, we're back. So there we go. Return to home, sorry, follow me, disengaged. And now, I'm going to take her out a little bit and I'm going to engage return to home. So let's take her out a bit. Let's take her out quite far. Go on, Mr. Quad. What are we? 36 meters, 40 meters, 44, 47, 50, 53. Right, and it is bringing itself home automatically. I did not click return to home that time at all, but it is bringing itself home, and at a rate of knots. Even though I'm still in low speed mode, that doesn't seem to care. It is just bringing itself home. Is it going to be as accurate as it was last time? It had two, yeah, in yesterday's video, it had 2 legs on the landing pad. Today it's having a bit of a moment. It's not going to be as accurate by the look of it, unless it stops and readjusts itself, which I doubt it'll do. Yeah, that has now gone. You can tell the battery has changed itself from the beep 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 noise. Okay, that's a little way out. Let's just record that. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 3 3/4. Look, my feet are just on top of each other. 3 3/4 feet, very basically, of course, away from the landing pad. Right, let's stop that. Video has stopped recording. Oh, let's bring all this back. Let's disengage everything.